This is our last video in this unprecedented, weird, you're on mute year, which brought serious challenges to all of us. Looking back at 2020, it was demanding, but still transformational. And as a company that firmly believes in the power of insight, we did our analysis and discovered 7 facts that made us think and made us feel thankful. So these are the 7 reasons to say thank you for being with us in 2020. Despite COVID, we took an active part in 11 events. No flying this year, but we were still present at amazing community events all over the world. Thank you for inviting us and for joining us. 5,066 people attended our live webinars. Your engagement, your questions, thank you notes, and all the follow-up discussions were a confirmation for us that we are doing the right thing. This fuels us with the energy and motivation to keep developing new ideas and present them in an understandable way. In total, you watched our video tutorials more than 143,000 times this year. Even though some of them are 1.5 hours long, thank you for your commitment. In 2020, our visuals were used by more than 53,000 report designers and 1.2 million users in total. That's massive. If you're using the free version or the professional one, this means that our visuals are being used and tested in numerous real-world situations. By collecting your realistic feedback, we are able to further improve the quality and user experience of our products. Fantastically valuable. We released 8 new versions with 266 new features and improvements in total. Your feature requests, testimonials, and examples have been vital to ensure that we are developing meaningful, user-friendly new product updates. As a result of all this, our team was able to grow by 2.7 times this year. This makes it easier for us to organize the best product development, customer support, quality assurance, plus additional tutorials, knowledge bases, and more. Thank you. We know that this year was tough for many of you. Here at Zebra BI, we spent 292 days working from home. Even so, all the lively email exchanges and online meetings have enabled us to learn from you. So to all of you, dear users, valuable partners, supporters, ambassadors, colleagues and friends, your Zebra BI team says,
Thank you.